Most people make their New Year's resolutions: exercise more, eat healthier, or quit alcohol. Mine is I just want to break from social media. If you are ready for a social media detox, here is exactly how I deactivate and delete Facebook and Instagram under 3 minutes on your phone or your computer. Let's do it. First of all, go to your Facebook. Mine is here, Facebook. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner here. 3 lines there. Tap on settings and then tap on personalized details there. Now look for something called account settings, but in here show is account center. I tap manage account, my case, and I tap manage again. And now you can see already, first option is deactivation or deletion. And the third one is memorization, which is we don't talk today. I'll just touch on the deactivation because I just would like to pause a little bit. Okay, press that. The first one is deactivate account. So basically the deactivating your account is a temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from the thing that you have shared. You'll be able to continue using messengers. That's good because I want to remain for messengers to call my family or contact my friends, etc. That is, I will remain. In case that you would like to delete account, then you cannot access again. Okay, it's all gone. If you delete it, that's it. Okay, for me, I will choose the deactivative account. Continue. Now let's see what's in here. See already, you lose access to following info. My friends there. Do you really have a 500 friends, real friends? Probably no. Yeah, Facebook, yes, you can have 1,000 or 1,000,000 friends, but real friend is hard to find, by the way. Back to the here again. I'll tap continue and then provide a password. There we go. Deactivating your Facebook account. And let's provide the reason why you want to deactivate. For me, this is the temporary. I will come back again. So I'll do the first option for me. If for you, you can choose whatever reason that you have. Tick by that. And then tap continue. Choose the option here. Automatically reactivate my account in 7 days or how many. For me, I choose don't reactivate it automatically. Basically, I just do on my own whenever I want to. Okay, I choose the last option. Tap continue. Continue using messengers. Yes, tap that. Lastly, now deactivate my account. Tap that. Here we go. All gone. Now my Facebook account deactivated. Now let's do the same thing for Instagram. Let's go to the Instagram program, tap Instagram here, and probably do the same thing. Open the app and tap your profile picture. My profile picture is here. And then tap the 3-line burger there. Tap the account center here, tap that account center, and then do the similar with the Facebook. And tap manage account, tap ownership account, this one. You can see already 2 options here. One is memorization. Decide what's happened to your profile after you pass away. It's ridiculous, but of course for the people who made money from that, then yes, it's very important, that option. For us, it's nothing. Deactivation or deletion. I choose the second one here, and then I choose my Instagram here. And I choose the same deactivate account, continue, tap continue, and then tap continue again, and provide the password that you have. Tap continue. I provide the same reason why I need to break. I just need a break. The first option, the first reason that I always choose, because sometimes it's good to come back, but I want to detox for a while, as I said. Tap continue, and the same thing, choose how many days that you want to come back again. For me, I will choose on my own. Okay, and then done, and continue, and then do the last tab is deactivate account. Tap that. Tan 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 tan. That's it. Now the Instagram is deactivated. Please note, if you deactivate your Facebook or your Instagram, your photos, video, whatever that you have history in your Facebook or Instagram is not deleted permanently. It just froze in there, but you can come back anytime. You just put the same password that you logged in before and will come back as normal. But all that photos and videos is just hidden from your friend, from other people who searching for you. They cannot find you anymore. Okay, that is the option of deactivated. Okay, if want to delete permanently, then it probably everything it will be gone. If you want to keep some data or your photos that you have memories somewhere that you been to, that's nice memories, then it suggest you to back up all that data that you like to back up and then just delete. For me, I just want to have a break. Right. Thank you for watching. Bye.